Hello! My vlog for today is about adding a TSA combination lock for these zippers. Having a TSA combination lock is very advantageous and very convenient, especially during travels. This is a TSA combination lock which I purchased from Lazada. As you can see, if it's available on your luggage, you just slip this zipper like that, and then it locks all the way. And to remove it, you just press this button on the top, and then you could easily open your luggage. This is the TSA lock combination. It is resettable. You could easily reset it to the combination number you want. By default, it is 00. There's a reset button here. You just press this one and then adjust the number. Like for example, you want 999, and then click here. Then the number combination would be 999 now. So if you adjust this one, you won't be able to open. Okay? So let's get started and let's put this lock. First, we need to determine where we will put this lock. For me, I've decided to put this on top so I could open it easily. I'd like it on top. You first slip on the zipper so you could determine the perfect location for the lock. And to anchor this lock, you would need to have 2 screws which will need to be drilled on this part of the luggage. This part is a bit hard plastic, so it's a great part to support the combination lock. This is the back plate of this lock, which is bolt inside the luggage and anchored on these 2 bolt holes on this combination lock. So to get the exact position of the bolt hole, I use tape. So let's drill the holes. That's 1. That's 2. So after we drill the holes, we peel the tape. And then we position this one. We position this lock wherein these zippers could still have enough play, not too tight, to not induce stress on these zipper heads. Now, since we get the correct position for the lock, we could now drill the mark holes on this hard plastic. Okay, now since we have drilled the holes, we can now install the lock. Now we could remove the tape since we got the bolts penetrated, and we place this lock position on the bolts. There you go. Now let's try to lock the luggage. And then we rotate the combination. Now it's safe. They could not open your luggage because they don't know your code. And when you input your code, there you go. Okay, I hope you like my vlog. This is a easy DIY and a very convenient one, especially during international travel. And that's it for my video. If you like this video, please click that like button. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, Stigger's World, click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be notified on my future vlogs. Thank you for watching.